guys, it's Imani. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here then welcome to my channel. And today finally I am doing one of the most requested videos on my channel, wardrobe essentials. So a lot of you have asked me to make a video on some of the key pieces that every woman should have in her wardrobe. Although right now most of us have traded our jeans and dresses for sweatpants and slippers, but solid wardrobe essentials are forever. These are the timeless investment pieces that provide the foundation of any capsule wardrobe and can be dressed up or down depending on the time and occasion. So I've compiled a list of my top 10 basic super versatile closet staples that according to me most of us often forget to buy, but these are the pieces that never go out of style and form the foundation of a classic minimalist wardrobe. So I hope you enjoy watching this video and find it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you do. Also please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below, bell button, you know the drill. And yeah, let's begin. Okay, let's start with my favorite closet staple, and it's a crisp white button-down shirt. Collared, cuffed and buttoned. You couldn't find another piece of clothing that would suit both formal and casual occasions. You can pair it with trendy leather pants or classic denim jeans. You can even style it with lehenga or sari for a beautiful Indo-Western look. A classic white shirt is something that nobody really gets excited about, but it's a great layering piece and can be styled in so many different ways. I had made a two-part video on 10 different ways to style a white shirt about 2 years back. I'll mention the link up here in case you want to check out. So yes, a crisp white button-down shirt is a must-have in your closet. Now we come to a no-brainer, and it's a pair of blue jeans. All of us own a pair of our trusted blue jeans. Jeans, I think, are the holy grail of fashion because they go with almost anything and everything and are just so comfortable, whether it's a skinny jeans, straight leg, wide leg, mom jeans, boyfriend jeans, whatever your style is, make sure you have a great pair of blue jeans that you feel comfortable and confident in and that fits you right. Also try and go for a pair of high-waisted jeans because it cinches your waist at the right place and gives a great shape to the overall silhouette. You can dress it up with blazer and high heels, or you can dress it down with t-shirt and sneakers. There really are no rules with jeans, and that's the best thing of all. The next wardrobe essential in my list is a structured blazer. A structured blazer is one of my favorite styling pieces. It can totally transform any simple outfit from casual to polished. For example, if you're wearing just a basic jeans and t-shirt, throw on a blazer, it instantly elevates your outfit and takes it to another level. I keep it simple and go for a black blazer most of the times because I think it works for dressing smart and goes with almost everything. So try and invest in a black blazer if you can. You can even go for printed or textured blazers like checks or plaid. Trust me, blazers are a great investment piece and can never go out of style. The next staple I cannot imagine my closet without is a pair of white sneakers. This is a definite must-have shoe style that you'll keep in your closet forever. I have these ones from H&M. These are about 4 years old, and as you can see, they are in a pretty bad condition. I know I need to get new ones now, but since I'm a big fan of cool, comfy athleisure trend, I wear them most of the times. If you follow me on Instagram, which I hope you do, you must have seen me wearing white sneakers with so many of my outfits. They are so comfortable. Plus, sneakers I feel are a fun way to make any outfit a little more casual, and the classic white ones like these can be styled with everything from jeans to rompers to skirts and dresses. So I'd highly recommend you to get one, and preferably in leather because they, I feel, are easier to clean. Another piece in my wardrobe that I reach out to most of the times is my denim jacket. I cannot stress enough how practical a denim jacket is. You can layer it over a pullover for a chilly early spring day or throw it over a dress for a breezy summer stroll. They're also amazing for creating denim on denim looks. Also, denim jackets are available in hundreds of different wash shades and styles, but if you have to buy just one, go for a classic medium wash, I would say, and also pay attention to the color of the stitches. They are mostly either yellowish gold or white, so pick one that suits your style the best. One of those magical pieces that can take you from an off-duty look to a high-octane one with just some simple accessory switch-up is a classic midi slip dress. It has such an amazing transformative power. You can create so many beautiful outfits using a slip dress, and the classic one to go for is a plain black satin slip dress, because black goes with almost everything and silk is less prone to creasing, which means you can wear it from day to night. I recently made a couple of videos on different ways to style a slip dress. I will link it up here. You should totally check that out for some very cool outfit ideas. A shoe style that I think is a necessity in our closet is a pair of black heels. Now this can further be divided into two categories, both of which I think are equally important. One is a pair of strappy heels like these, and the other is black pumps. Now when it comes to strappy heels, try and go for a minimalistic design, ones that just have these thin ankle straps. They make your legs look longer. This is such a simple design yet looks very classy, and they will go with as many of your evening dresses as possible. Now coming to black pumps, these I think are one of the most versatile pair of shoes that can be used to instantly dress up any daytime outfit for an evening. If you want to have just one pair of shoes that will work not only for office but with dress pants or cocktail dresses as well, you need to have these shoes. Go for a pointed toe style. It will make your legs look longer and leaner, and as far as heel height is concerned, try and choose something that's at the medium to higher end of your comfort zone so that they feel dressy enough but are still comfortable. Like for me, the heel height should not be more than 3.5 inches. That's the maximum I can handle. So it really depends on where your comfort level is. But yeah, black pumps are definitely a must-have in your closet. Another basic staple that all of us have to have in our wardrobe is a classic white t-shirt. It's so simple to find, but we often forget buying it because we don't always realize how versatile it can be. It can be easily dressed up or down for almost any occasion just by mixing and matching with different pieces, adding different accessories. It's also a great layering piece. You can layer it under a slip dress for a fun outfit, or just pair it with jeans, throw on a blazer for a smart polished look. I even made a video on 10 different ways to style a white t-shirt. I will link it up here. Totally check that out. So yes, white t-shirt is definitely a must-have in your closet. The perfect complement to everything from oversized knits and dresses to micro mini dresses. Next up on my list is a pair of ankle boots or booties. I have these black ones that I wear at least 3 to 4 times a week when it's spring or fall. I can't show it to you right now because they are in a pretty bad condition and I need to clean them. But this I would say is a fun alternative for fall and winter months when you want to cover more of your foot and still look super stylish. In fact, booties have now become seasonless. You can wear it with pants in winters and shorts or dresses in summers. It's that classic piece that's very versatile and gives an edge to the entire outfit. And they come in so many different varieties. For example, if you are aiming for something chic and elegant, a stiletto boot may be the best. Or you can go for a flat boot if you're looking for a more relaxed aesthetic. And no matter what style you choose, they look as good with jeans as they do with dresses. Even something as unexpected as sweatpants can look surprisingly stylish when styled with ankle boots. So this is sure to become one of the most worn items in your wardrobe. Every woman knows the power of the LBD, and there is no explanation needed as to why. The question is which one. When it comes to picking the little black dress, plenty of options are available and it gets quite confusing which one to pick. So the key here is to choose the right silhouette depending on the shape of your body. So try on to see which style flatters your body the most. Also, I feel that if there's one style that looks good literally on everyone and is suitable for almost all the occasions, is the classic A-line dress. I have so many LBDs in my closet, but the one that I find most practical is this fit and flare black dress. Another thing to keep in mind while investing in that one classic staple LBD is to avoid any cuts that might be too trendy. Also, try and choose a modest over the knee length to be able to wear it on multiple occasions. So that's it, guys. These were my top 10 staple pieces that according to me are essential for every woman in her closet. These are the pieces that I find myself going back to again and again. So if you have just one in each category, that will cover you all year round. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you did. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below, or you can subscribe by clicking on my picture in the small circle over here. Also, hit the bell notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. video. So yeah, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you later. Bye.